Android 17 QPR1 Beta 6, now available for Pixel users. If your Pixel device, check for this latest Android 17 QPR1 Beta update and what's new in this update. To check for the update, open the app drawer and tap Settings app to your Google Pixel phone. Scroll down and tap on System. Tap Software Updates in the top. Tap System Update. You can see the Android 17 QPR1 Beta 6 update. Update size is 589 megabytes. Tap Download and Install button to install it to your Pixel phone. After installing, you can see minor changes and multiple bug fixes. Check the link in the descriptions for the list bug fixes. Have you received Android 17 QPR1 Beta 6 on your Pixel yet? If yes, what's the first new change you noticed? Let me know your Pixel model in the comments.